Williams Racing is evolving from using an Excel spreadsheet for the 20,000 parts they use in their Formula One race car. Why are they doing this? While improving their processes, they saw a tenfold increase in certain areas, as team principal Voles told the race in an interview. The Excel list was a joke, he said, impossible to navigate and impossible to update. Also commenting that when you have so much data and missing data, along with the complexity of modern Formula One, the Excel spreadsheet falls over, and humans fall over, and that's exactly where we are. Is this even a big deal? You have been chosen as part of an elite team to build an F1 race car, a technology that sits at the very boundary of high performance engineering. The car can involve as many as 100,000 parts to put it together. How would you store the information about those parts in a way that is easy to find? Would you use an Excel spreadsheet? Let's find out what happens if you do. First of all, your team gets to exercise their fingers while they scroll through thousands of rows when they are looking for a part. Furthermore, there is missing documentation, information about costs, timelines, etc. Because, let's face it, who wants to even deal with this eyesore? So, you have to go back and forth to try to fill in the gaps. In the F1 world, performance is everything. Time is quite literally of the essence, both when putting the car together and on the race course. So you lose a lot of time due to the lag that is caused by the time it takes to do all that back and forth. Not to mention, the cognitive load of squinting at thousands of cells is a bitch. Multiply all of that by the amount of people out of a 1,000-person team dealing with this spreadsheet, and you have yourself a massive web of inefficiencies. At present, an F1 race car can cost up to $15 million in components alone. When you factor in other expenses, such as R&D, operations, salaries, etc., the cost can go past $200 million. The pressure of building an F1 race car is challenging enough. Adding unnecessary cognitive load by using a spreadsheet makes it way worse. Imagine how much of that can easily go to waste when your information systems are inefficient. The thousands of rows of data was not the problem. The user experience was. With the modern tech landscape, you can easily migrate this into a database and connect it to a nice and simple responsive UI. This enhances the experience of dealing with the data in a more human-friendly way.